In this video, I'll be showing you how to update Nvidia graphics card drivers. Start by going to the Nvidia website, then select Nvidia app from the top menu. I'll include a link to this page in the description. Head down and click the Download Now button, then wait for the download to finish. If you don't want to use the Nvidia app, then go to the drivers page and input your graphics card and system details. This allows you to download the updated drivers manually. I typically recommend using the Nvidia app to make sure you get the correct driver. Can update the drivers again in the future, and because the app has other useful features. Once the download has finished, open the Download Manager and click the Show in Folder or Open File Location button. Double-click on the Nvidia app installation file to begin the installation process. If asked to allow Nvidia to make changes to your system, then select Yes. Read the terms, then click Agree and Continue. Select which drivers you would like to use. Game-ready drivers are typically better for gaming and are updated more often to support newly released games. Meanwhile, Nvidia Studio drivers are more for creators and are typically more reliable builds. I'll be selecting Game-Ready drivers. Click Next, then choose if you want Nvidia to optimize your games. This can change your game settings, so I recommend turning it off. Click Next again. Choose if you want to use the Nvidia overlay, which can be used to monitor game performance, record, and take screenshots. I keep this turned on. Go down and click Next, then choose to skip. Head to the top and choose to log in if you want to. Now, go to the side menu and select Drivers. The Nvidia app will automatically detect what graphics card you have and suggest the newest available driver here. If you don't see any, then click the Refresh button. Click on the Download button for the driver, then wait for it to download. After the download has finished, click on the Install button. Click Yes if asked to allow changes to be made. Choose an installation method. Typically, you'll want to select Express Installation. Go down and click the Continue button. Wait for the drivers to update. It may take a few minutes and your screen may flash a few times. Click the Close button once the update is finished, then restart your computer. Your Nvidia graphics card drivers will now be updated. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.